Hello and welcome to Self-Service. First, we're going to go to the Launchpad. Now, we're going to use our fingers, and we are going to use them to go over here. Then, we're going to click on Self-Service. Once that loads up, we'll be presented with a login screen. Now we're going to type in our username and password that we used to log into the computer in the first place. Alright, once that is done, we're going to click the login button. And now we're here. Now we're just going to go to the printers, how to install them. Let's go over to printers and click install on this one. Once that's done, click install here and wait for it to load. And there you go. That's how to log into self-service and how to install printers. See you later.